Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you very much for joining in. We are gathering parts on the SS. Sorry, it's freaking hot. If the woman can do it, why can't I? Some tips in the video, maybe it will boost the subscribers. But let's, I'm going to be doing some stuff on the SL tonight. We are waiting on spares for the SS, so our footage, we're not gathering so much footage. So let's get into the SL. Guys, so we spent some money on the SL, on the steering. So I paid a lot of people. They checked everything. They say my rack ends and my tie rod ends are fine. I think they adjust here. It's the only adjustment I can find is up here. They tested this and this, and they ended up replacing that shaft there. So the steering still doesn't return to center, and she does make a clunking noise every now and then, but it looks like this one is fucked, so we need to change that one maybe. And while we're changing that one, this one looks also fucked, so let's change those two bushes and see what happens. I can't remember, did we dry up this? Yeah, it's still wettish, so we need to attend to that. Cracking. Removing this one here, this bush. I don't know, should I loosen the shock and the sway bar, or do you think I can just loosen that, pop it out and replace? I don't know. Let's see. It's still in place. I can't move this down. I think I need to definitely take the shock off and remove the sway bar. Okay, so I couldn't do the job myself. I got scared of all the forums. Everybody's telling me it's a moorse job. So we took it to a shop and they replaced both sides. You can see it looks new. And it's sitting in the center again, not off center like it was. However, my steering is still hard. Now, I'm wondering if it's the sensor here in the back, the speed sensor. So we need to hook up the scan tool and see what we can diagnose. I see there's a bit of wetness there. We need to figure out where that comes from. If it's still my spillage. If I look here, it looks red. So I feel it's just me spilled all that power steering fluid that I spilled is still moving down. I don't know, but I need to clean it so I can see if there's a leak. And we fixed the center brake light. We got a new one. installed and it's working. Right, so let's just pause there for a little bit. This SL is driving me insane. So guys, you remember that XJ6, that silver one I was fucking around with? Look at it now, looking beautiful, eh?
Sounds at the part, eh? Still too cold. Still a bit cold. Sure it's not timing. The choke one. Check now, gets more fuel. The nice E-type with the steering wheel on here. Check this. I'm tapping off it. Fucking 1.6 tons this thing. It's just so regal, it's unbelievable. This is an E-type in a saloon body.
So I took it back to the power steering people and they didn't even search for an oil leak. But yeah, that is a red fucking drop. And I cleaned it the other day. So we're going to go sideways. The engine. I want to try and see what we can see down there. Where does the red fluid come from? As you guys notice, the fluid is red. So that's another thing that's wrong. Nice and red in there. And it's supposed to be more a green color. So we're gonna change the fluid to the green and see if it makes a difference. So we've topped it up with green fluid. And we've closed this. I don't have a plug, so I used a glove finger and some elastic to cover that, and we've got the return line hooked up to the pump. So we're going to now suck basically the green fluid through the system to the top, and then we're going to start the bleeding process. So this is what I learned on YouTube. What am I doing wrong? All the instructions on YouTube to bleed the system, but it feels like there's constantly air coming through, so it must be a leak. I don't have a vacuum tester to check the pressure, to find the leak. So I've driven it for 50 kilometers maybe, and now we're going to jack it up and see if there's leakage, if there's any fluid on the floor, and then we'll take it from there. So guys, thank you very much. That would be it for tonight. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what I can do to boost this channel. Thank you.